Hi, in this video I'll be demonstrating why the square root of 2 multiplied by the square root of 2 is equal to 2. Now to my left here we have a square and also a square within this square, okay? And this angle here is a right angle along with this one, and this one, and these angles in red are also right angles. Now from this point to this point over here, we have the length 1. From this point to this point over here, we also have the length 1. From this point to this point over here, we have the length 1. And from this point to this point over here, we have the length 1. This means, okay, that the length from this point to this point down here is actually equal to 2, and that the length from this point to this point over here is actually equal to 2 as well. Now, let's figure out the areas of these right-angled triangles over here, okay? Now, the area of this square over here is going to be 1, as 1 times 1 is 1. So this area over here must be equal to a half, along with this one and all the areas of the other right-angled triangles. Okay? Now, it turns out, right, that the area of this square in red over here is actually 4 times a half. And this is equal to 2. And we can use the value of this area over here to prove that the square root of 2 multiplied by the square root of 2 is equal to 2. Now let's focus on this right-angled triangle over here, okay? Its opposite length is equal to 1. And its adjacent length is equal to 1. This right-angled triangle also has a hypotenuse. We're going to call it C, okay? According to Pythagoras' theorem, 1 squared plus 1 squared would be equal to C squared in this case. So C squared would be equal to 2, which means that C is equal to the square root of 2. Okay? So we know that the length from this point to this point over here is going to be the square root of 2. Now, the length of this point to this point over here would also have to be the square root of 2, as this box over here is actually a square. Now, to find the area of this box over here in red, we'd have to multiply the square root of 2 by the square root of 2. Length times height, right? And we already know that the area of this box is 2. Therefore, we can say that the square root of 2 multiplied by the square root of 2 is equal to 2. And we've proven that this is the case. If you have any questions concerning this video, please leave your comments below. Thank you for watching.